Ever wonder about the fascinating world of animals? Let's dive into some of my favorite ones today. From the comfort of our homes to the vast expanses of the wild, animals captivate us with their unique appearances and intriguing behaviors. They can be our loyal companions like dogs and cats, or our occasional visitors like birds and rabbits. Dogs, with their wagging tails and joyful barks, bring endless joy and companionship. Cats, on the other hand, are mysterious and independent, yet offer a quiet comfort. Birds, with their colorful feathers and enchanting songs, add a touch of nature's melody to our lives. And rabbits, with their soft fur and playful hops, remind us of the gentler side of the animal kingdom. Each of these animals has something special to offer, making our lives richer and more colorful. Ready to embark on this exciting journey into the animal kingdom? Buckle up, and here we go. Who doesn't adore the loyalty and companionship of dogs? These four-legged friends are a cherished part of many homes around the world. Dogs, with their wagging tails and eager eyes, are known for their affectionate nature and playful spirit. Let's talk about their physical attributes. Dogs come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny chihuahuas that can fit in the palm of your hand to giant Great Danes that can stand taller than some people when on their hind legs. Their coats can be short or long, curly or straight, and they come in a rainbow of colors, from pure white to jet black, and every shade in between. Some dogs have floppy ears that hang down, while others have ears that stand tall and alert. Now let's consider their behaviors. Dogs are social animals that enjoy being part of a pack, which is why they fit so well into family life. They love to play, whether it's fetching a ball or running around in the park. Dogs are also known for their loyalty, often sticking by their owner's side no matter what. They are great protectors, always on alert for any potential danger. But what makes dogs such a favored pet? Well, their loyal and loving nature certainly plays a big part. Dogs are known to form strong bonds with their owners, offering companionship and unconditional love. They are always there to cheer you up when you're feeling down, with a wagging tail and a lick on the hand. Dogs can also provide a sense of security, with their keen senses and protective instincts. Another reason why dogs are so loved is their intelligence. Many breeds are known for their ability to learn and follow commands, making them great partners for tasks such as guiding the visually impaired or helping the police. Whether you love them for their playful spirit, their loyal hearts, or their protective nature, it's clear that dogs bring a lot of joy and love into our lives. They are more than just pets. They are part of the family. Truly, dogs are man's best friend, aren't they? Moving on to another beloved pet, the mysterious and majestic cats. Cats, with their graceful movements and piercing gaze, are one of the most adored pets worldwide. They come in a variety of colors and sizes, with fur that can be short or long, smooth or fluffy. Let's delve into the physical attributes of these fascinating creatures. Cats are relatively small, usually weighing between 6 to 16 pounds. Their bodies are flexible and agile, allowing them to move with speed and grace. They have sharp, retractable claws, perfect for climbing and hunting. Their eyes, usually green, blue, or gold, are large and expressive, often communicating their emotions. Now let's talk about their behavior. Cats are known for their independent nature. They can spend hours amusing themselves with toys, exploring their surroundings, or simply lounging in a sunny spot. Yet, they also enjoy the company of humans, often seeking out a warm lap to curl up on. They communicate their needs and desires through a variety of sounds, from soft purrs to high-pitched meows. Cats are also known for their cleanliness. They spend a considerable part of their day grooming themselves with their rough tongues, which helps keep their fur clean and free of parasites. But what is it that makes cats so loved? Perhaps it's their air of mystery, their independent spirit, or their graceful elegance. Or maybe it's the way they can be aloof one moment and the next, curl up purring in your lap, looking at you with those big, loving eyes. Cats also provide their owners with comfort and companionship. They're known to have a calming effect on people, reducing stress and anxiety. Their low-maintenance nature also makes them an ideal pet for those with a busy lifestyle. In the wild, cats are natural hunters, helping control the population of pests like rats and mice. Their keen senses and agile bodies make them excellent predators, a trait that's also visible in their domesticated counterparts. With their elegance and charm, cats certainly have a way of winning hearts. Whether they're snoozing in the sun, chasing a toy, or simply watching the world with their curious eyes, cats are truly a joy to have around. Ever admired the freedom and beauty of birds in the sky? There's something truly magical about these feathered friends of ours that captivates us. Birds come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny hummingbird darting from flower to flower, to the majestic eagle soaring high above the mountains. Their vibrant plumage, ranging from the simplest shades of brown to the most dazzling array of colors, is a feast for the eyes. Birds are also known for their captivating songs. From the cheerful chirping of sparrows to the haunting hoot of an owl, each bird has a unique voice that adds melody to our world. Some birds, like the parrot, can even mimic human speech, a skill that never fails to amaze us. These feathered creatures are not just beautiful and entertaining, they also play a vital role in our ecosystem. They help in pollination and seed dispersal, contributing to the growth of plants and trees. Birds also control pests by feeding on insects, thereby maintaining a balance in nature. Many of us love to keep birds as pets. Canaries and budgies are popular choices for their cheerful nature and beautiful songs. Having a bird in the house can be a delightful experience. They fill our homes with their vibrant colors and melodious songs, bringing a touch of nature indoors. But birds are not just pets. They are also part of the wild, and observing them in their natural habitat is a pleasure in itself. Who hasn't felt a sense of awe watching a flock of birds flying in perfect formation, or a sense of peace listening to the gentle cooing of a dove? There's a reason why birds are loved by many. They symbolize freedom and beauty. With their ability to fly high in the sky, their vibrant colors, and their melodious songs, they bring joy and color to our world, whether they are in our homes or in the wild. Birds, with their vibrant colors and melodious songs, truly are a joy to behold. Now let's hop over to the cute and cuddly world of rabbits. Rabbits, oh, where would we be without these fluffy little bundles of joy? They're a popular choice for a pet, and it's not hard to see why. These small mammals are known for their long ears, which can grow up to 4 inches long, and their large, round eyes that seem to sparkle with curiosity and friendliness. Their bodies are covered in a soft, thick coat of fur, which can come in a variety of colors, from pristine white to inky black, and all the shades of brown and gray in between. Rabbits are a rainbow of fluffiness. And let's not forget their short, fluffy tails, a hallmark of their species. But rabbits are not just about their looks. They're active animals, fond of hopping around and exploring their surroundings. They're also social creatures, enjoying the company of their human friends and other rabbits. They communicate using a range of sounds and body movements, from thumping their hind legs to warn of danger, to purring softly when they're content. Rabbits are also known for their love of food. They're herbivores, which means they eat plants. Fresh vegetables, fruits, and hay form the main part of their diet. But remember, they have a sweet tooth, so it's important to limit their intake of sugary foods. So why do people love rabbits so much? Well, aside from their adorable looks, rabbits are known for their gentle and friendly nature, making them great companions. They're also relatively easy to care for, requiring only a safe and comfortable living space, a balanced diet, and plenty of love and attention. The joy of watching a rabbit hop around, the warmth of a rabbit cuddling up to you, the amusement of watching a rabbit munch on a carrot. These are just some of the reasons why rabbits are such beloved pets. Soft, fluffy, and full of life, rabbits indeed make adorable pets. And there we have it, a delightful journey into the world of some of our favorite animals. We've met the loyal and playful dogs with their wagging tails and joyful barks. We've seen the graceful and independent cats, their soft purrs and mesmerizing eyes capturing our hearts. We've admired the free-spirited and colorful birds, their melodies echoing in our ears long after they've flown away. And let's not forget our fluffy and adorable rabbits, with their twitching noses and soft coats making them irresistible to cuddle. Each of these animals possesses unique qualities that make them special. From the dog's loyalty, the cat's independence, the bird's freedom, to the rabbit's cuteness, there's something to love about each one. They enrich our lives in numerous ways, bringing joy, companionship, and a touch of wild beauty into our everyday world. Remember, each animal, big or small, has its own charm and beauty. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of animals.